Hello and welcome to iCalculator's video series on US tax basics. In this video, we'll be focusing on the state of Missouri. We will cover the state's history, types of taxes with detailed explanations, and the various tax exemptions available so you can make better informed financial decisions for yourself or your business. Missouri became the 24th state in the United States on August 10, 1821. The state's main GDP comes from industries such as agriculture, manufacturing, and services. Missouri's unique cultural and economic features, including its diverse population and strong agricultural base, have shaped its tax system. The state has experienced various tax-related events, including the implementation of a sales tax in 1934 and the adoption of an income tax in 1917. It's important to understand the various taxes and tax exemptions, so you can make better informed financial decisions for yourself or your business. First, let's take a look at the different types of taxes in Missouri. Sales and use tax, property tax, individual income tax, corporate income tax, motor fuel tax, and cigarette and tobacco tax. Now let's take a look at these different types of tax in further detail. Sales and use tax. This tax applies to most goods and services sold within the state. It is collected by businesses and remitted to the state government. Property tax, a tax imposed on real estate and personal property, which is determined by local governments based on property value. Individual income tax, a tax levied on the income of individuals and certain other entities residing in the state. Corporate income tax, a tax levied on the income of corporations and certain other business entities operating in the state. Motor fuel tax, a tax on gasoline, diesel fuel, and other motor fuel sold within the state. Cigarette and tobacco tax, a tax imposed on the sale of cigarettes and other tobacco products in the state. Now we have covered the different types of taxes in detail, let's now take a look at the various tax exemptions available in Missouri. There are various tax exemptions available in Missouri, including sales tax exemptions. Exemptions include groceries, prescription medications, certain agricultural supplies, and manufacturing equipment. Property tax exemptions. Exemptions include the homestead exemption for primary residences, exemptions for seniors, veterans, disabled individuals, and certain types of agricultural and conservation land. Individual income tax exemptions. Exemptions include certain retirement income, Social Security benefits, and specific types of interest and dividends. Corporate income tax exemptions. Exemptions include credits for research and development, job creation, and other specific activities or investments. Motor fuel tax exemptions. Exemptions include fuel used for agricultural purposes, fuel used by government entities, and fuel used by certain mass transit systems. Cigarette and tobacco tax exemptions. Exemptions include sales to the US government and sales for export outside the state. That is all for this video on Missouri tax basics. We hope that this Missouri state tax guide was helpful in providing you with a better understanding of the state's tax system. By knowing more about the history, types of taxes, how taxes work and the various exemptions available, you can make better informed financial decisions for yourself or your business. Be sure to stay tuned for the next state tax guide in this series, or check out our US Tax Basics playlist. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.